Here in the district, we have access to a ton of technology that does amazing things for our students. However, sometimes, no matter how good you are, it just doesn't work the right way that you think it should. So to resolve those issues, we have a very simple system. And this is the easiest and the fastest way to get any issues you have resolved. What we're going to do is submit a help desk ticket. Now, the easiest way to do this is if your computer is working, there's an icon on your desktop for this. It's just right here on the left-hand side, says LCISD Help Desk. If you have an issue with a computer you can't get onto for that icon, you can get to the same place by going to helpdesk.lcisd.org. You'll get to the exact same place to enter the same information. In this case, since I have my computer open and it works just fine, I'll click on the help desk icon. Now what's going to happen is it's going to take you to the help desk website and you need to log in. Now it's your regular username and password. Notice it is not the full email address, just your username. Once logged into the system, it should take you to the help desk screen that you see here, and to add a work order, you just simply go to New. Now when you click on that, you have a few options. The ones that you will be most concerned with are New Ticket from Queue, and you have two options here as to what type of trouble you're having. This puts your issue into the right workflow so we can get it resolved quickly. If you have a Skyward issue, click on Skyward Support. If it's a technology issue, click Technology Support. In this case, I'll choose Technology. Once the page refreshes, it takes you to the standard template for your work order. Now note that some of these fields have a red required sign on it. You must fill those out to submit your work order. Others are optional, but make it much easier for our techs to provide the level of service that you need in a very timely manner. In this case, the first required field is your issue title, and we ask that you keep it to no more than 5 words. This should be a very quick title of your issue. I'm just going to say projector issue. Now, you will need your computer name. If you're on, again, the computer where you have access to your desktop, your PC name is in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. If you're using another computer to put in your work order, because let's say your laptop isn't starting up, there's a black service tag somewhere on the device. On a laptop, it's usually on the bottom. On a desktop, it's on the top or the side of the machine. What you're looking for is something that says service tag. Those numbers afterwards are what you're looking for. Once you've entered in your computer name into the work ticket, go ahead and give us a detailed explanation in the comments field. This is where you can tell us exactly what you're seeing, how long you've had an issue. If you have any specific error messages are extremely helpful. Once you're done, scroll down and give us a little bit more information. What building you're at is required and the room number you're in as well. And then finally, category is extremely important for us. If you're having a projector issue for say, it will also ask you for additional information. Is it a bulb burned out? Is it dim? Or are you having some other type of issue? Once you have all of the information in that you can provide us, again, the more detail the better, go ahead and click Save and it will create that work order. Now if you try to submit a work order that doesn't have all the required fields filled out, you'll get this simple error message and it tells you exactly what you forgot. Please make sure that you're using this ticket system whenever possible because it is the fastest and best way to get your issue resolved in a timely manner.